Our school is 2,400 students. 85% are Hispanic. About 1/3 of our population are English language learners. So it's not just teaching the same material to all of the students. It's making sure that all of the kids are having equal access to the curriculum.
ELL classes can be challenging, but they are wonderful because I have to teach the English along with the mathematics.
Okay, this is what you're going to learn today. How to determine what expression goes with this graph. It's thinking time, so think. Okay, and what's your language goal? Group 2?
Using the language of sequencing, I will be able to describe the steps to the graph and inequality in 2 variables.
Thank you.
We need to give our students the academic language to use. Word walls are really important for kids to see the word in English, and in addition to the words, you want to have some kind of a picture to help them understand what it means.
It takes sentence frames and it helps students begin their sentences either in writing or verbally.
Warm up in front of you, please. Discussion cards in front of you.
In your planning, as a teacher, you really need to think about what responses do you want from students.
I tell the kids, put the discussion cards in front of you. Turn to the back of your discussion cards, turn to the yellow, constructing viable arguments.
This is what you use if you want to explain and describe. This is what you use if you want to compare and contrast.
Where you're going to formulate statements of where you agree or disagree with the student's work, and you must justify your reasoning.
In my opinion, first you have to find the y-intercept, and then after that you check that you have the y-intercept and the goal.
Very nice. Okay. I also make all students accountable. How do we test that out? Look over there on that poster. Look at the last step. Then what does it say? I don't excuse the one that's struggling and has no idea what's going on. I don't excuse anybody. Why do you think 0-0 is convenient? That student is just as important as the exemplary student.
You're gonna know which side is the correct one or if the equation is true.
So I agree, it is easier. Would you agree that it's easier? Okay.
And it may sound like it's taking time out of your classroom, but that's the time that's needed to allow kids to make sense and to come up with that precision of language.
I didn't meet my learning goal today, and I know it's because of all the oral language routines. Half the class, they're second language learners, my ELLs, and I cover less problems, but we do the problems in depth. Tell us what the equation is, and then read us the step-by-step process using the language of sequencing. So remember to speak in complete sentences, to use your discussion cards.
Our linear equation is y equals 3x plus 1. And the process was first we found the y-intercept, which is 1. And then we found the slope, which is 3 because the growth is 3.
So I may only get 2 problems from them done in their groups, but they have to explain their process. Okay, can you show me your y-intercept?
The y-intercept is
Okay.
here, and the growth is here.
Thank you. Thank you. Make sure that we all understand that. Can you explain? If you can express your learning of math orally
And you have to check you have the rule.
and share it, really demonstrates their learning.
Y equals 3x plus 1